Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, good. Are you now ready to learn something new today? Excellent. So before we start our lesson, everybody, kindly read our learning objectives for today. Okay. So today we are going to talk about something that surrounds us all the time. Ecosystems and the flow of energy. Now, eyes on the smartboard. What is the picture all about? Yes, Anna, you're raising your hand? Okay, it's a forest. What do you see in a forest? Yes, Marjan? Good, plants. And what else? Yes, Irene? Animals. Excellent. So what do you think would happen if all the plants in a forest disappeared? Yes, Queen? Okay, very good. Some more answers. Yes, Anna. So, great thinking. So, plants are the base of food for many organisms. But did you know that energy moves in a specific way through an ecosystem? Now, let's explore how that happens. So, an ecosystem is a community of living things, the plants, animals, and the microorganisms interacting with their environment. So within an ecosystem, energy moves in a path called a food chain. So I have here a simple food chain. Now, what do we call the plant in this food chain? Yes? A producer. Correct. Producers make their own food using sunlight. And what about the grasshopper? Yes, a consumer. Consumers eat other organisms. And what kind of consumers is the eagle? Yes? Great. Predators. So predators hunt and eat other animals. So, a food chain is a simple path. But in real life, animals eat more than just one thing. So, all food chains connect to form a food web. So, I have here an example of a food web. So, in this diagram, please find at least 2 food chains in the web. Yes, Kyrie? Very good. Another one. Yes, Apple? Excellent. Okay, so energy moves through an ecosystem in a one-way direction. So, from the sun to plants, then to animals. So, this happens in different levels. The 3 levels of energy flow in an ecosystem. Okay, so now who are the producers? Okay, very good. Plants, trees, and algae. So they use sunlight to make food. And what about consumers? Yes, excellent. Animals. But we also have different types of consumers. And what do we call animals that eat only plants? Right, herbivores. And what about the meat eaters? Carnivores. Very good. Okay, so now, and those that eat both plants and meat, what do you call those? Okay, very good. Omnivores. Now, so what happens when a plant or animal dies? Yes? Very good. It rots. So decomposers like fungi and bacteria break down dead things and return the nutrients to the soil. So without them, the world would be full of waste. Yes. Okay, now. So now, let's have a game. Who wants a game? Okay, so let's call it Who Eats Who. So I have here a slip of paper. So each one of you will be given a slip of paper with an organism's name. Then, you must find your correct place in a food chain and line up accordingly. So are you now ready? Good. Now, okay, very good. So who is at the bottom and who is at the top? Go! Now, where does the energy start? And how does it move? Okay, very good. Okay, So, do you have any more questions? There's none. So, get one piece of paper and answer this one. Okay. Now, excellent answers. It seems that you really understood our lesson today. So, that's all for today. Bye.